Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Gautam from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. I had completed B.C.A from Budelkhand University in 2025. After finishing my studies, I began search for a job to start my career in the IT field. That went through one of my friend. I came to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd as a recruiting and consulting company. I enrolled in their program on 2nd March 2025 and successfully completed by 2nd July 2025. After placing, I got placement in Event Team Computers Private Limited with a package of 22.5 lakh at the Gurugram location. Because of this, thank you for the guidance and support. I was placed in the team computer. During my training, I gained hands-on knowledge on CCA, Windows Administration, and ITL. With the help of Rahul sir, Prasanjit sir, and Apurv sir, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire Evision team, especially Rahul sir, Apurv sir, and Prasanjit sir, and the managing manager of Ganesh sir.